Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, grandson Peter Morgan of Morgan Heritage joined us not only to celebrate Nishayan's birthday, but also to perform for us. So let's take a look at this Throwback Tuesday performance. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Reggae royalty is in the house with us today. Welcome to Peter and Gramps Morgan of Morgan Heritage.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, so before we even go into the question, them, I'm going to have to sing a Morgan Heritage classic.
Oh, right.
Come here,
Here we go. Run it in the dark. It's up for the people of St. Thomas. Straight.
Do-do-do-do-do. Ah, oh yeah, oh yeah. For Jamaica.
For Jamaica.
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh,
Daytime. I'll be down by the river.
Yeah, yeah.
Waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh, yeah.
Say, ooh, yeah.
Down by the
River.
yeah, yeah. Singing songs of joy on this lovely day.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's start the interview.
All right, so you're back on the island to promote your new album. The album is called Loyalty.
Yeah, man.
Tell us a little bit about the album.
Loyalty is an album that we put together to represent our love for the music. And we know that the way reggae music is today, it's not just roots music and it's not just lovers rap. Under the umbrella of reggae for the world, it's many different styles. The Americans have their flavor of how they hear reggae music.
Yeah, yeah.
We in Jamaica have our sound. In Africa, they have their sound.
Sure.
So on this album, we incorporated all those sounds to show that we're loyal to not just a type of reggae, but just reggae on a whole.
And what is really nice is that you guys have just finished a part of your world tour.
Yes.
Just let us know some of the places that you've been to that's vibing the whole movement.
Why, as you know, Craig, you know, say reggae music is worldwide.
Right.
So this your chorus is a witness of what this music is done from Jamaica. What Peter is saying is that you go to these different parts of the world and they have their own reggae stars too. So it is imperative that we, as reggae artists in Jamaica, we get the support from the country, from the government, and most of all from the citizens who love reggae music. But we've been to Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya. The tour actually kicked off in Kenya, and then we went to Europe for 2 months?
Yeah.
And then we went to the US for 2 months, and now we're about to start another US tour for another 6 weeks.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, what you want?
You're back in Jamaica, and we love you guys so much. But what do you love about being here in Jamaica? What's your
Food.
Hey,
The food. The food.
people.
The food. I eat a dumpling this man. I eat a dumpling.
Dumpling.
Me eat a dumpling this man.
Wait,
right?
boiled dumpling or boiled
No,
dumpling?
boiled dumpling.
Boiled dumpling.
With some callaloo and saltfish. And you see the dumpling, that's why you can't stay and spend too much time at fire, you know.
Yeah.
Because for them dumpling kind of tough. I don't know what the flour. So big up the flour mill them.
Yeah.
In Jamaica,
Yeah, the
right?
water, you know,
But
the
that dumpling there, it's soft like a donut. Hey, and so the dumpling nice, you know. and so some skinny man in Jamaica say them can eat 15 dumplings. I can understand why.
Very much so.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So what about you? Was it the dumpling or the banana or the...
This morning?
The mackerel? No. What was it?
No,
man.
It was just
No
the
mackerel,
callaloo
okay.
and the green banana.
No mackerel.
We're going to talk about the dumpling
The mackerel
after. What's the name of the song you're going to perform for us today?
We're going to do the title track of the new album, Loyalty.
Yes.
It's the first time we performed it on TV anywhere.
Anywhere.
So it's
Gotcha.
Jamaica.
Television exclusive right here, Daytime Live. Stay tuned.
Big up all of the loyal friends then.
Loyalty goes a long, long way. Ooh, good friends are so hard to find.
Good friends are hard to find.
Ooh-wee.
Loyalty goes a long, long way. Yeah.
Ooh-wee. Good friends are so hard to find.
So hard. Loyalty.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Listen lyrics.
Loyalty goes a long way.
Long, long way.
Tell your friends, tell your neighbor,
Tell your
your
neighbor.
brother, tell your sister, loyalty is real.
Yeah.
Check it. Look how long me and me bridging apart. Though me can't believe me can't trust him at all.
Yeah.
Jerry Vita High said the brethren no know nothing but loyalty. Not to a next man come promise him diamond and gold. Him sell out him brethren and gon' corrupt him soul. Beware of who you call your friends, cause some don't know loyalty. A long time we are trying to road together. Never thought I would get deceived by my brother. I was blind and I behold no sign. The way me trust me brethren and with me life, yeah. What kind of something this? What kind of living this? Me can't believe I saw me left myself careless. My mama always tell me to beware of the friends I keep, yeah. Look how long me and me brethren apart. No, me can't believe me can't trust him at all, yeah. Charity to high, said the brethren no know. No more loyalty. Don't you want next one's gonna promise him diamond and gold. Him sell out him brethren and gon' corrupt him soul. Beware of who you call your friends, cause some don't know loyalty.
When me say, now how all this time I thought everything was fine, only to find out so much was hidden inside. I'd go to war anytime for my friend, defend our friendship to the very end, yeah. Always thought we could overcome anything. Look how long me and me bridging apart.
No, me can't believe
Me can't trust him at all, yeah.
Charity to I said the brethren no know. None but loyalty.
Big up Buju Banton.
Don't you want next one to promise him diamond and gold. Him sell out him brethren and gon' corrupt him soul. Beware of who you call your friends, cause some don't know loyalty. Hear me one more time. Long me and my brethren apart. No, me can't believe me can't trust him at all, yeah. Charity to I said the brethren no know. None but loyalty. Don't you want next one to promise him diamond and
Girls.
All right, so we want to send some love again to all of the Morgan Heritage family for the loss of their father, Denroy Morgan, who, you know, clearly an amazing man who raised these talented and amazing youths, you know.
Gifted children, yeah, man. It's amazing.
Yeah, man.
And, you know, the circle of life. We also want to big up Janine as well, who is pregnant and welcoming her first. So congratulations, and we look forward to gaining a little baby in the team, in the crew. Lovely. So yeah,
So it's a
congratulations.
gift of life. So she receives the gift, but she's also giving us the gift at the same time.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, hold on, I'm build up my vibes. I love my friend, you know, so, you know, like, you know, me and Gramps and Peter are kind of close, you know, so, but like when them go through things, I feel it, you know. So it was a happy video, but it still, it touched me away, because I know what them go through. You know what I mean? It's that thing. It's that thing. It's that thing. It's that thing. It's that thing.
Is that same?
But congrats to
Aw.
Janine.
Yeah.
And we're welcoming the youngster.
Yeah, it's a circle of life, you know.
Yeah.
So you know what?
All right, on that note. Thank you everybody for watching. Please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow.
Tomorrow with much more buzz, chat, games, and of course our virtual audience. So if you want to be a part of our virtual audience tomorrow, the Zoom link is on our Facebook post and also in our Instagram bio. Stay safe, wash your hands, mask up, and keep your distance as much as possible because Corona is still keeping. Bye!